guys, this is Billy with Drifter Vans, here to give you a tour of our most recent build. This van has a lot of really cool exterior features, including the van compass lift kit on the front and the rear. We have the automatic Nomadik awning that is powered by a switch on the inside of the van. And then once we go around the back here, we have the FECO spare tire carrier, which will hold the 5th wheel for the client. Along with the FECO rear tire carrier, we also have the FECO roof rack. On the roof rack, you're gonna see 2 spotlights in the back. We got the 2 spotlights on the side, which is really helpful when you're trying to climb up the ladder at night. That's the ladder. Climb up there and clean the solar panels off, all that kind of stuff. Our client also requested some space on the roof to put a toolie box that they're gonna actually install themselves. So they'll be able to get up there and store all their goods for camping. And then on the front, you're gonna see here, we also installed a nice big spotlight for them to have on the open roads. All right, let's check out the inside. So the first thing that you're gonna see in this van is a beautiful custom shower door that's made of walnut, and it has 6 beveled mirrors inset into the face of it. This one has our standard flip down table, and also the flip up adjustable countertop. So this van has our custom designed divider wall that's really good for separating the living space from the driving space. Behind the beautiful door is a shower, which includes a rainfall shower head and a Trillino toilet. As you can see, they got a nice sink, real stone backsplash, a microwave, tons of storage, a refrigerator, and 2 bench seats with a pull-out table between them. This van includes a queen-size mattress, which we were able to achieve by adding the bump-out flares on this van, which gives you a lot more space for your head and your feet. They also have the 48-volt pneumatic cooling air conditioner. All right, that wraps up our walkthrough of Charlie's van. Don't forget, you dream it, we'll build it.